Namatakan ni Thursday. Lo tuloy mo ni kuha, man to ni Kimberly Kansar sa matumayan na bese mura-mura. Ni do matatal to man na bay mataka to Sara. And ouch pa lang show na ito ko na kanay punches so creamy biscuit so creamy in every bite.
Right. Hindi naman nakanimbol na talaga na maramatina. Hindi kami talaga naturang tama. Ito pa nga tekinggel ito sa sumaramo ni siya matumay na matabi na ni kuha.
Doon naman naka.
Talaga nang oras siya matumay na non-ralo manitaw nam.
Alright.
So talaga nang oras siya matumay lumani non tolili. So talaga nang oras siya matumay lumani non Facebook.
Right.
Nimbol na ka.
Doon naman naka.
Ratio 92.2. Na mataka ni kuha.
Nimbol na ka na siya matumay lumani basi yung isa sa tumay sa Vivian na notification VDFM is on live. And programa baro tagi ko na ouch pa lang isa tapaga mo ni sa sar tumay. Kito sa mga bulot ten wiki mo ni and mataka vinaka ni kuha.
Ora bertalan mun bitokan ni mataka ndai na volleyball bola nimbol na kan vinaka. So ba ramai katalutin na volleyball bola. Era so juga mataka di dai. Biki na lagi tahu tu ba kan do tori sala mata di kuha era traffic jam ba bibitu na sura corridor. Ibadah kadi ada benar turun nomor ramah turun ngon lewa, ada benar kena turun dam semata kimika.
Ada benar ka atu.
Ni anda benar kan roy anda benar ngon turangan roy anda. Well, good morning this morning to each and everyone. This morning, even though the cloud is dark, the windy is windy, and the weather is cold, we are being strong enough to come forward to work, to do the jobbing, and do whatever we do. To all the students who have been wake up, going to school, thank you very much for joining this morning.
Your t-shirt is darker than our t-shirt. Why is that? Is it the camera or what?
The evil spirit.
The camera.
Oh, okay.
No. You have to be free.
We know who.
We have to pray for you, brother.
No, we have to take the hands together and we do it together.
We have to bless you.
No, I don't want to listen to the telling.
John Kumar, apakah kita bikin seni milibu naki ya nabi naka mata kabi naka di kuah, na boleh besar nabi tokan belum mayan na Bararbeli from Bararbeli di Siatoka. We say good morning to John Kumar, tuning in all the way from Bararbeli Road in Singatoka. All our listeners out there, the Messi
overseas base, thank you very much for joining this morning. To the people who are joining, like they are staying there forever. Some of us, we are just going there for months. Some for 2 years, some for 4 years, due to the contract. Good morning to you and all the family members here in Fiji.
Simon Banove, tuning all the way from the Nandera Kidney Center.
Tombula.
Filimon Royawa, dan benak na biyokan ni nakaboli na biyong grabe. Hello dali bisi nga na mata ka binak ni ko. Kito ba na itabi undaramba? Bulna ka marabulingan ni kay na mata biyokan ni atau na Forest Gump atau ngaramo tu na puno ka tukin na tagi movie. Tamar ta chu turun daw.
Ano yung kwesa makot man brukas.
On Devo Pigs.
Marabulingan nga. Marabulingan yo. Right. Iyo.
Donatan kasama sa. Donatan na kasa.
Kuha. Ora bina kaya nabuni yo, puro bingara main nabi hotel tala may tabi uni. Odi to itamu di wai,
Gambe. Kelab na.
Gambe, takoy gambe, chinoloval.
Oi.
Okay, mamadal ta kamanta
Gambe is an island. It's different from Lodala Island.
Different.
Oi.
And then back you have the 7 stars.
7-star hotel.
Hotel. The
Lodala Island Resort. Gambe Island Resort. Yes.
Did you meet the iguana in?
No. When I was there, they still like studying it. Studying the iguana start to.
Masih kita dulu.
Masih kemai. Korang kembali lagi ya. Korang ambil tak kini ruang aku teman
Right.
na iguana.
So tawa pa rin yung laman basi tadi ruang atau juga di US Embassy. Kung matang nggak bikin mereka doon italo laser nga.
Okay, this is a story about one fella. You know, he's a rip to Goli. One of our family there. From Zongia when Numbua rip. This one is a very funny fella too. So one day he was going to ride to Natubu. Wale Busai. He went there. Their family to there. So when he went there,
Family affair.
people are surrounded. People are surrounded. surround one fella. This fella one thing one storyteller, and the people they are laughing, they touch their stomach, they lie down. Then they rub in the body. So this fella was there doing the story. He said one story. You know, when I go fishing, Sarun bilang toko ni Talwa. When we go fishing, before the fish reach the water, sampai mental anyway. This is
But the fish living in the mainland.
No. Before
the fish eat the bait.
Before the fish eat the bait. You know, oh, that's it. Gurno walu.
8. Walu. Okay.
That's it. 9. That's red. Damu. Sampai mental anyway before it's
the boat. That's the red.
Red gurno. That's red. Wait. Let's say it. Damu. Let's say ongs. And ongo.
Right.
Ongs.
Let's ongs. Another one coming. Ladies. Oh! This one big one. Octopus.
Right. Kembali sebenarnya ini suatu cuma naika, segala lagu cuma menayabi. Kau sakila naika tau. Right.
So everybody was laughing about the story. Goli enta.
Korang itu kan mendengar tak? Korang ngomong harus 10 kilo.
Betul ya? Bakal kenembi. Oh, that one 5 meters.
Sangka, berapa kilo?
Sangka dia. Got 4 eyes.
Wow.
Batu ya nono tala nono. So, masa tu yang bulu satu nono ini nak when they laughing. Goli enta.
Oh.
My buana makumuna. My buana sit here. This is one I was waiting for. See, this one.
Got stories too.
He got story too. You know, asking Wainunu. Wainunu koi koloni ralu. One story from colony. From colony. One story. No, we don't have the story. You know, you can hear it too when you tell a story. You tell a story about the sea because you're close to the sea.
Right.
Asking from Zongia, when we come like this, we different. We can only tell the story about the forest, the hunter, and the farming.
Right.
Okay, any. You just want to say any. Okay, listen.
One
One of my father is a hunter.
Right.
One of my father is a hunter. When before he went to the hunting, he got many. Two more than 2 spears. But they got their own names. He got different kind of dogs. These dogs, they have their own name. No any other name you can call. Their dog, they knew the voice coming from the owner.
Only the one particular dog on one particular day.
So when they preparing for the movement, before they went, each day they got it's a spear. Blood. Erlai ngunun rara moto. Segera tale wale.
If you take the spear on the wrong day, if you take the spear on the wrong day,
wrong move. Wrong day, wrong move. No blood. Erlai ngunun rara na moto net kini singa balik ke perkara if they run on their right day.
Sometimes we take all the spear.
Alam mo rin alay berimbeka. Benero. So when they go there. My father is this. He just saw the namanya mana?
Footprint.
When he saw the footprint, he can say, "Oh, black one." Kalwa. When he go like this, "Oh, kantamu." Oh, kamula. Gora kamula. Bokalwa. Ya, nangona wala nga rezeki no kana mo niya bana.
Apa dia bulalo?
Ertu sangat turtu lala gurtu sabiri.
Tapi merto kila merto chiwa swas.
Ertu tiwasa.
Merto kore besinwa.
Hindi na sabang ko tonton ang kasi mental ay bully. Mental ay bully.
Ya bokalo bula.
Lo bula tuno ko ya. Lo bula. Black and white. Me batu ya.
Me som telepon di men.
Then after that, passing one like one baling.
What?
Baling.
Ono merda.
Non resili-sili.
Oh, non resili-sili.
Dan tabu tuh kira.
Iya, berdata untuk katan rak.
Iya.
Oh,
Iya.
this one.
Iya.
4 months.
Oi.
Pregnant.
Pregnant. This one female. Are itu sana ko. Por itu na meno ko.
Iyo.
Todo mo kalewa.
Ah.
Bukan kalewa.
Ah.
Apa to na bula? Itu ka tele lima lo bena.
Betul lima.
5.
Visi sini tahu.
Abis ini talo atuno ka. Ngor nol tata ko to ko menente na bula sa. Me buat tu na bitalo. Then after that, like after the story, you just wait. I just give me my suki. I went outside. Went outside. Sangka itu tak kena mata yang kalau kene karua. Asin nimbero ka rongo talo ko sa kasi timay muri. Borin to na wili ko ne lasu.
A big con man.
You are very big con man. Don't listen to him. After that he come on taki. When they said that taki, abang ngamen ko nang kasi. Ito sa live ko amantang amitalan no.
Salah.
Isa. Wala punja so creamy in every bite.
Right.
For the
Ayaw sarang.
What ito konis?
yeah.
But some of the stories,
Yeah.
it's true. The experience to Beira.
Iya.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Some
Yeah.
take some,
Yeah.
leave
Some
more.
from the Ninga.
With bandur.
Seraya makin dile ya.
Iya.
Bina malim sar tamaya muna
Talon las.
talno. Bina malim sar.
Sayo nga biyo, sa setzer nga, sayo nga biyo na rito ka. Balatin ba ka ng bini na
Keten.
lolombo.
Oy na lolombo eh.
Na lolombo na shape balita ka na balita mo kino chincina.
Iya.
Akila ko ni bula vida lang ngone. Ya sambu ya.
Kana bantu mo mula bew. Iya orang itu kuna bikin raw. Na mo ini buka tangan ni mo ini buka lewa.
Iya,
Orang itu kuna bikin raw.
Iya.
Rani lura.
Pero ken tindu isa?
Na weni aban raw nan raw na to kukwe.
Iya.
Itu e beni loma. El biolo kan leso tabango. Itu e temba itu.
Ito yang itu mah.
Oh iya.
Iya. Orang itu kuna kenen klangor katangane sekali. Kanga misalnya itu kuna ni loa pula.
Iya.
Kaya
Iya.
semimbuket.
Asa sinto ato ba?
Iya sini
Sa
tahu.
konga ya.
Sa erna kila.
Iya.
Asa kolon ralu ga.
Ako raw mi bulan
Iya.
Bel na dale.
Allah las.
Tino ko ya. Wainun sa wainun nga.
Iya. Makana lombu.
Berapa besar na italo roro na kamay na tuvu
Iya,
gue.
natubuyo.
Mata ke mbua.
Right?
Iya, wainun.
Bueno, ne? Ana mata di kodo, ano di binaka bertana da 17 ratu bula.
Iya.
Ano di binaka kaya becik korni buli.
Mana
Lomsi tui sawana. Na belum sara. Olin tamu-tamu. Ano di binaka may gizi may New Zealand.
Bolo na.
May gizi binaka.
Iya.
Ana mata binaka. Roda.
Iya.
Itu sana may daba ke.
Iya.
Da tolo tolo baru takir mata di mataka. Kito kan mga nomuni like.
Ay,
Nomuni heart.
Iya.
Mata kira nomuni share.
Iya.
Ana video leka-leka.
Debesi.
Kurmundu.
Umikan galong bola.
Kalau ngata
Wadengu.